Hey guys, as you can see, I'm here at the airport. Ito yung first time ko ever na pagkatapos ko mag-work, I suddenly decided to book a flight same day. And for today's video, I'm going to Jeju Island in South Korea. It's crazy. I'll tell you later kung magkano yung nagastos ko. I'll tell that later pagdating ko sa Hong Kong kasi may layover ako sa Hong Kong. Grabe, I have zero to few research about where I'm going. Wala akong itinerary, literal, as in. Staying there for 5 days and let's see, it's an adventure, solo, wala akong kasama. So, samahan niyo ako, let's all figure out Jeju Island. Let's go guys. So, andito na ako sa Hong Kong after 2-hour flights. Just to give you an idea on how much I spent for the airline and the hotel ng same day booking ha. Again, nag-book lang ako kaninang tanghali and I flew out ng gabi agad. So, I paid around 37,000 round trip ticket. Papunta pa uwi, may connecting flight dito sa Hong Kong. Inclusive na dun yung 6 days, 5 nights na stay sa hotel. So, ayun. Again, we'll figure out on how we will survive Jeju nang wala akong kalam-alam. So, standby muna. So after roughly about 2 hours, we're here in Jeju. Grabe. As in, pagod na ako kasi wala pa akong tulog. Simula na nag-book ako kahapon, hindi na ako nakatulog. So, tara ikutin natin yung airport. So, as usual, customs siguro, then immigration, custom, and then yung bagahe. So, yan. So, as you get here, arrival card. SOP naman to sa lahat ng bansa. Okay. So, we're done with immigrations and customs. We're just gonna wait for... There you go. Nakakalabas ko lang ng airport. This is crazy. I was held for 20 minutes. At na-random check na naman ako. Pinabuksan yung buong bag ko. Pinatanggal halos lahat ng suot ko. Diyos ko, ewan ko kung random ba yun o tingin nila sa akin drug mule. Diyos ko, pero you know, when you don't have anything wrong with you, just cooperate, right? And stay cool. I think that's good. Pero parang pangalawang beses na nangyari sa akin to. No, sa Hong Kong na-hold din ako dati. Pero, ay, tara labas tayo, taxi tayo papuntang hotel. Yan siya, medyo gloomy. Ayan, there are two ways that you could do travel here. It's either bus, which I really am not familiar. I did not even research. Walang mga English na nakalagay dun sa bus nila. But there are taxis over there. Sabi nung hotel ko, 5 minutes away lang ako sa airport. So, I could take a cab. Ayan. Sabi nila ngayon, it's around 10 degrees. So, ayan. Tignan natin, cab tayo. So, ayan. Ito yung taxi bay. Kiusap na lang tayo kung paano. Ano ba mag-Korea?
잠시 후 경찰청 도청 방면으로 좌회전입니다. 이어서 우회전입니다.
Oh wow, I had a very bad experience taking that cab and I wasn't able to even take a video. As As in, hindi kami magkaintindihan. Alam niyang hindi na ako marunong mag-Korean. Nagsalita pa rin siya. And the way he talks, galit. Alam, mararamdaman mong galit na galit. But here I am. Andito ako dyan sa brick stage. Dyan ako mag-stay. So, grabe. It's a self-check-in hotel. Walang receptionist. You will be given all the instruction on how you can come in. But good thing I can see na malapit ako sa mga convenience store. It's cold and gloomy today. Oh. Parang they're having a very slow morning. Walang traffic, tahimik lang. So ayan, pasok muna tayo and then let's get some food in a bit. And then tignan natin yung kwarto. So ayan, self-check-in. Walang tao but we were given the password already. So ayan, nabigay. So yeah, let's go. Room na puro 204. So 204. Oh, this is where I'm staying for the next coming days. Ooh. Dark. Yeah, I'm fine with it. Oh. Okay lang. Yeah. It's cool. I have my workplace. There you go. The aircon. Okay. Let's unpack. Okay. Let's actually see kung man makikita natin dito. Oh, it's yun lang naman yung labas. Nice to see. Para siyang 7-Eleven nila. Oh. Welcome Korea. Okay, so nakita niyo naman yung kwarto. Medyo iikot-ikot lang ako dito. Around the vicinity, titignan ko na mabibili ko mga toiletries, pagkain. Ikot ako dyan mamaya sa parang 7 convenience store nila. Tignan natin yung onting itsura ng... Tignan natin kung may makainan ako. Gutom na rin ako eh. Actually, gutom na ako. So, gloomy siya oh. Parang uulan. Pero malamig. So, massage parlor, may mga restaurant. Actually, hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa Korean kasi mga Korean medyo kimchi, diba? Mas magulay sila compare sa mga Hapon, sa Chinese. Pero sana meron tayo ditong magustuhan. Let's see ang kanilang convenience store kung katulad ng Japan. So, may ATM. Drinks and ito rin mga ready to eat foods. Let's try to get them. Ayan o. Meron ding mga onigiri. Ready to eat foods. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan pwede initin yan. Let's see. Let's grab. Okay, so nakabili naman ako ng mga onting-onting pagkain sa mga tubig. Pero I don't think na dapat kong tipirin yung sarili ko for my first meal here. Let's try to eat at a restaurant. Tara. So, tignan natin. Ito parang mga noodles ang sinaserve nila. Noodles ba? Tama, parang noodles eh. Noodle and bone soup. Let's see kung meron pang iba. Ayan o. Uso talaga tayo siyang mga sanggipsal o. Try to walk and see kung may iba pa. Hindi ko masyadong feel yung itsura ng mga sinaserve nila doon. O pag talagang wala akong makita, babalik ako doon. Doon na lang ako kakain sa hotel. Tapos we'll wrap the day up. Pero hopefully may makita pa dito. Marami ako napapansin na maraming pamasahiyan dito ng paa. So I found a restaurant. Parang lahat sila ang binibenta. Pork backbones too, as in lahat. Yan, so meron silang fish cake, kimchi, tapos sili. I don't know what this is, and then ooh, ang galing. Let's try the fish cake. Fish cake, ito mo ba ito? Ayan, I think it's the same system na unlimited din talaga. Nag-try ako mangingi ng fish cake. Yung isa dyan, binigyan pa ako. Dumatay yung first order ko. Red omelette. Look at that. Natin ha. May mga kambing na. How do you eat this? Para siyang bulalo. Sana hindi maano yung brace ko. Okay, so for that very decent meal na unlimited naman yata yung rice, tapos merong egg, then yung pork backbones too. Pakasarap pala nun. Buti na lang yun ang sinubukan ko. It only cost me around 630 pesos. Mura na siya. So I'm just heading back to the hotel and then take a rest. I had a long travel from Manila kahapon pa. So mamaya na ulit. Hey guys, so nakatulog na ako. It's currently 3 o'clock here in Jeju. 12 degrees, so malamig pa din. Nakatulog ako ng ilang oras. Enough for me to get this day going. What I like about Jeju, hindi siya ganun yung pacing ng mga tao dito, hindi ganun kabilis. It's not like you'll see a lot of tourists. I don't know, maybe I'm not in the place where there's a lot of tourists, but when you go outside, wala masyadong tao, walang masyadong nagmamadali, wala masyadong nagtutour. May mga ilang turista naglalakad-lakad lang. So I think I'm not in the according to the yung dun sa location, nasa center naman daw ako, but I have not been around the city much, but I'm liking the vibe. It's slow. It's calm for me. Mas maigi ng ganun. So, today, I'd like to go to a place where I could shop. So, medyo mag-shopping ako. Meron ditong shopping area na pwedeng lakarin. Hindi ko alam kung anong makikita o ano. And then, yeah, that's my itinerary today. Just shop and then walk. And then later on, I'd like to book myself to like a joiner tour, na one-day tour dito sa Jeju, and join groups para maikot ako sa area. So yeah, come on guys, let's roam around the city again and let's do this. Hey, so we're now walking to the shopping street daw dun dito malapit sa area. So one thing I want to tell you guys, compared to I'm not trying to make a comparison, but just to make some of you guys who will be going here as well, is you have to be aware that people here doesn't really speak that much English. Kaya pala maraming Korean na nagpupunta sa atin. So marami talagang hindi. Ang dami ko experiences ngayon na talagang hindi sila makapag-English, like the taxi driver kanina umaga na kahit alam niyang hindi ako marunong mag-Korean, tuloy pa rin siya ng tuloy sa pagsasalita ng Korean, and I really couldn't react. That's the first time ever sa lahat ng bansa na napuntahan ko na I was caught off guarded because I didn't know what to say. So ayan, just some basic Korean would do, I think. So, yeah. Yeah, there are people that not that much. Yeah. So, ito yung streets nila. Doon may parang mountain. Ayun na parang may falls. Look. Oops! Right across the street, I saw like Adidas. Parang mga shoes. We'll go there later. May bilin pa naman yung kapatid ko sa akin. May mga mangilan-ngilang shop na rin dito, no? May mga damit, ayan. Oh, yeah. So I guess I'm really in the center. Wala lang masyadong tao, which is really good. Souvenir shop. I'm Jeju. Nice. So, ito yung sinasabi lang shopping street. I think, yeah, this is really a shopping street kasi marami na dito apparel, may New Balance, Mizuno. So, let's see what's here. So, yeah, may New Balance. Yan. Meron ding Vans. Mizuno. Oh, it's crazy, no? Ang daming shop pero wala masyadong tao. I don't know, is it really off season or mamayang gabi ang mga tao dito? Oh, they got Gongcha as well. May Led Zeppelin. What's there? Oh. Yeah. This is really a place to shop. Sa center nga tayo. Okay, I noticed na maraming store dito pero it's also obvious that may mga store dito like this one and then marami doon. Maraming store na nagsarado. It's nice to roam around this street kasi talagang wala masyadong tao. Look, a lot of establishment pero walang tao. So, just keep moving, buy things that you don't need, you just want, right? Oh, ABC Mart. This is a known shoe store. So, let's see. Maybe we could buy something. Jordans. Oh, one thing I noticed is this one. Sapatos namin to dati. Wow. Gomero. Wow. I like this. Let's see. Tapos na ang laban. This is really good. This is really good. Look, oh. These are some old school shit. Wow. So because this shoes is really good, my brother's taking one too. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Let me just check how much this is in peso. 20% for everything? Yeah. Okay. 10%. Okay. Gotcha. All right. So I'm getting 20% since I'm getting 2 pairs. Yeah. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, I'll get 9. Yeah, size 9. Okay, so sold. 2 shoes agad. Nainggit kasi yung kapatid ko. So we're just gonna roam around and try to look for a place where I can eat. Hi. Enjoying the moment alone, talking to you, talking in front of my phone, not bothering people seeing me talking. I don't care. Wala akong tanga. And of course, since nandito na tayo sa Korea, bakit natin hindi palalampasin na mag-sangyupsal? Feeling ko ito sangyupsal kasi may mga lutuan sa inyong mga meat. Oh. 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 So let's eat inside. So I'm here inside the resto. Yeah. So umorder na muna ako. So ang tawag talaga pala nila sa meat ng baboy is sangyupsal. So yun yung sinabi ni ate. From what I understand, Yun lang yung naintindihan ko. Sabi niya sanggipsal. Hindi okay sanggipsal. So let's see. So ayan siya. So this one.
Okay.
Oh, you. Okay.
고기랑.
Oh, wait lang daw. Alright. Oh, kimchi. Kimchi.
같이 구울 거예요.
Ayan. So hindi ko pa rin siya naintindihan. So ito yung
네. Salted curry.
salt,
네.
curry,
쌈장?
Sanjang.
네.
Okay. So that, okay. So, dyan nilalagyan ng mantika. Okay. Alright. So, lalagay na yung aking order. So, oh. May herb. Mushroom, right?
네, mushroom.
Mushroom, okay. So, I just noticed na sila yung nagluluto sa harapan ko. Sabi ko, I can cook it for myself. So, look at that. Yeah. Probably would taste the same. I got my rice and they gave me egg. Very famous din sa kanila talaga egg. Guys, I'm enjoying it. Ang sarap. Alright, so yung nakain kong yun, it's worth 1,600 pesos. Mahal siya kasi syempre sa Pilipinas 500, 600 unlimited na lahat, di ba? Yung 1,600 na yun, dalawang meal, dalawang selection lang ng meat. But that's okay. Part of the experience. But anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. There's gonna be more. Samahan niyo pa ako sa mga susunod na videos. Thank you. Have a great day. Let's make it a great day and let's make the day count, guys. Thank you.